Pelargonium. Key features and information. Botanical name. Pelargonium is a genus in the Geraniaceae family, commonly known as geraniums, although true geraniums belong to a different genus. There are over 200 species of Pelargonium, with Pelargonium hortorum, garden geranium, Pelargonium peltatum, ivy-leaf geranium, and Pelargonium times domesticum, zonal geranium, being some of the most popular varieties. Habitat. Pelargonium species are native to southern Africa, particularly South Africa, where they are found in diverse habitats, from arid regions to temperate climates. They are typically grown as ornamental plants in gardens, pots, and hanging baskets worldwide, especially in temperate regions. Pelargonium thrives in well-drained, moderately fertile soils and prefers full sun or light shade. Leaves. The leaves of Pelargonium are typically rounded, kidney-shaped, or deeply lobed, depending on the variety. Shape and texture. The leaves are often fragrant with a soft, hairy texture. Some species, like Pelargonium graveolens, rose-scented geranium, are known for their aromatic leaves which emit a pleasant fragrance when touched or crushed. Color. The leaves are usually green, but some varieties have variegated leaves with cream, pink, or white edges. Arrangement. The leaves are usually arranged alternately on the stems and may have finely serrated edges. The leaves of trailing types, like Pelargonium peltatum, are more rounded and softer. Flowers. Pelargonium flowers are one of the most striking features of the plant, known for their vibrant colors and distinctive shape. Colors. The flowers come in various shades including red, pink, white, purple, and orange. They are often bicolored or have contrasting edges. Structure. The flowers of Pelargonium are asymmetrical and typically have 5 petals, with the upper petals being larger than the lower ones. The flowers are tubular and often have a bird-like appearance. Fragrance. Many varieties of Pelargonium have fragrant flowers, though the fragrance can vary widely depending on the species. Some varieties have a strong citrus or rose-like scent, while others may have a more subtle fragrance. Blooming time. Pelargonium typically blooms during the warmer months, from late spring to fall, depending on the climate and variety. The blooming period can last for several months, with continuous flowering in some species under optimal conditions. Adaptations. Watering tolerance. Pelargonium is drought-tolerant once established but grows best with regular watering. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's important to allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Temperature tolerance. Pelargonium prefers warm temperatures and can tolerate heat, making it suitable for growing in sunny gardens and balconies. However, it is sensitive to frost and should be brought indoors during the colder months in regions with freezing winters. Cultural symbolism. Pelargonium has various cultural associations, particularly in European gardening traditions. Symbolism. In some cultures, geraniums are seen as symbols of friendship and positive energy. Red geraniums, in particular, are often associated with strong emotions like love and passion. Use in aromatherapy. Scented varieties of Pelargonium, especially Pelargonium graveolens, rose-scented geranium, are used in aromatherapy for their calming and stress-relieving properties. Uses. 1. Ornamental use. Pelargonium is primarily grown as an ornamental plant. It is popular in gardens, hanging baskets, window boxes, and containers. The flower's bright colors and attractive foliage make Pelargonium a favorite in landscape designs. It is also used in flower beds and as ground cover in warm climates, where it thrives with minimal care. 2. Aromatic uses. Many varieties of Pelargonium, particularly the scented types like Pelargonium graveolens, are cultivated for their aromatic leaves. These leaves are used in making essential oils for perfumes, cosmetics, and aromatherapy. The fragrance is used in a variety of products, including lotions, creams, and oils, for its calming and uplifting properties. 3. Medicinal use. Traditional. In some cultures, Pelargonium has been used in traditional medicine. For example, Pelargonium pseudoides, African geranium, is known for its medicinal properties and is used in some treatments for respiratory issues, such as colds and coughs. Some species of Pelargonium have been used to treat minor wounds, digestive problems, and even as a remedy for fevers, though more research is needed to validate these uses. 4. Insect repellent. The strong scent of some Pelargonium varieties is said to repel insects, particularly mosquitoes. This makes them a good companion plant in gardens, especially in outdoor spaces like patios and balconies. Ecological importance. Pollinator attraction. Pelargonium flowers are attractive to various pollinators, especially bees and butterflies, which benefit from the nectar and help with pollination. Wildlife interaction. Though Pelargonium is not considered a significant food source for wildlife, its fragrant flowers and leaves play a role in attracting beneficial insects to the garden. Care and maintenance. Planting. Pelargonium is typically grown from seeds, cuttings, or small plants. It prefers well-drained, fertile soil and should be planted in full sun to ensure maximum flower production. Watering. The plant is moderately drought-tolerant, but regular watering is necessary during hot periods. Ensure the soil is allowed to dry out slightly between waterings to prevent root rot. Pruning. Pruning is essential to keep Pelargonium plants tidy and to encourage bushier growth. Deadheading spent flowers will help prolong the blooming period and maintain a neat appearance. Temperature. Pelargonium does not tolerate frost, so it should be brought indoors or protected in colder climates. It thrives in temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Invasive nature. Pelargonium is not considered invasive in most regions. However, some species such as Pelargonium times hortorum can spread quickly in warm climates where they are allowed to self-seed. These plants typically grow as annuals or short-lived perennials but are not known for overtaking native vegetation. Pelargoniums are popular garden plants due to their vibrant flowers, aromatic leaves, and ease of care. Whether used as a decorative plant in aromatherapy or for their medicinal properties, they offer a versatile addition to any garden or home.